Do you ever feel like studying Japanese is hard? Like you need to sit at your desk, open a textbook, and study for hours? But here's the thing, learning Japanese doesn't have to be like that. In fact, you can improve your Japanese just by paying attention to everyday things around you. Okay, let me show you how. I have something here. Yay! So, 2 types of chocolate snack. Have you ever tried them? Okay, can you spot something interesting on the packaging? Look at this. Both packages have the words 冬季限定, 冬季限定. What does this mean? Okay, 冬季 means winter season. 冬季 winter. And 限定 means limited. 限定 limited. So these snacks are only available in winter season. In Japan, you'll often see 限定 on products, meaning limited edition or only available for a certain time. So next time you see this word, you know it means something special. For example, here's the ingredient list. So you might see the words like 砂糖. Do you know the meaning? So 砂糖 means sugar. 砂糖 sugar. And 小麦粉 小麦粉. So 小麦粉 means flour. Try to compare these words to your own languages. You can find also warnings like here, アレルギー物質. It's difficult. アレルギー物質. The Japanese word アレルギー. So アレルギー means allergies. Japanese words アレルギー is loaned from English, but the pronunciation is completely different. So it's the difficult point for foreigners. So this says this product contains allergens. It seems to contain 4 allergens. New means milk. And 卵 means eggs. And 小麦 means wheat. And 大豆 means soybean. So if you have allergies, it's really important to recognize these words, right? So previous translation challenge. So here's a fun challenge for my viewers outside Japan. Look at a snack package from your country and try to translate it to Japanese. So I have these souvenirs from the US. So for example, what should we say? Garlic powder in Japanese. And then, so volatile oils. What should we say? Volatile oil in Japanese. Or, so it says store in a cool, dry place. What should we say in Japanese? Please think about it. If you have any idea, please let me know. Leave your comments. Okay. Yay! How about today's video? Did you enjoy it? So I'm trying to think about what is more fun and what should I do to enjoy studying Japanese for you. So I'm struggling what is the most enjoyable content. So if you have any idea or something you want to know, please leave your comment. So I'm gonna start live streaming. I'm gonna tell you when I start live streaming, join my first live streaming. So remember, learning Japanese isn't just about textbooks. So it's also important, useful, but not only textbooks. You can learn so much just by looking at everyday items around you. Next time you buy a snack, take a moment to read the package, find a new word, try to understand it, and maybe even use it in a sentence. If you learned something new today, leave a comment with a word you found on a package. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Do you want to eat one? So you can see here, 開け口。ただ食べる? Do you want to eat one? おいしい。おいしい? Yeah. おいしい。ごちそうさまでした。Thanks for watching until the end. See you next video. じゃあまたね。バイ。